Hello everyone, how are you doing? Are you able to see me? Give me a quick thumbs up if you are able to see me, guys. Hello everyone. Okay, let's check the connection really quick. Yes, Divyanshi. Hi, now I can see your screens now. Okay, perfect. Now I can see it. Tell me if I'm audible. Tell me if you can see me so that we can quickly confirm and start with our lovely class. I have like something really beautiful for you today. Of course, you know all my classes have the Menty quiz. We would be learning about the Menty quiz today, weather, climate and adaptations today. So glad to meet you all. Let's see. Okay, come on. Are you able to see me, guys? Give me a thumbs up because I'm not able to see. Yes, we do have the Menty quiz. Absolutely, we do have it. Okay, so let's other people, join in, and until then I'll quickly give you a quick tour of what is Unacademy app and how you can be a lovely part of it. So just let's crack it all together. So you are having a class of weather, climate and adaptation on this beautiful channel known as Unacademy. I am your educator, Abha Sharma. I am teaching from past 4 years and I love to have you all in my class. Okay, and these are the ongoing and upcoming batches with all these influential people. This class is for 6th, 7th. You can see in the blue that all the Eureka batches and all your subjects are basically covered. Hi Tanisha, welcome to the class. How are you doing? I am so glad to meet you. Oh my god, hi. Should I just say you hi 8 times? Hello. Okay, so all these batches are ongoing and upcoming, so you can be a valuable part of them. And then on your screen, as you can see, these are the batches that are particularly for maths and science. So they are like a key to finales. If you be a part of them, then you can like cover up a lot of your courses. They have already begun. There are still 2 months left. Hi Ranjit. Okay, Manojit. Hi. I'm so glad to meet you all. Okay, so these are the English and Hindi literature batches for your literature. Particularly, it will be taught by beautiful teachers that you can see on your screens. So quickly guys, as I am quickly telling you about this wonderful platform, go ahead and click the subscribe button because I want you all to be in my all the classes. Every Saturday I would be meeting you and I want you to get notified about it. Yes, we do have Menty Nikhil. I know you people are so excited about that. Yes, Ranjit. Yes, Ishan. How are you? Hello, Aishwarya. Perfect. Yes, we do have Menty. Guys, none of my classes is without Menty. We do have Menty. Always. So if Abha Ma'am is taking the class, Menty would be there. Because as soon as I make you people understand things, I always make sure that you people learn a lot as well and you are able to analyze it. Okay, so these are my batches. See who is here. This is me, Abha Sharma, and with all these lovely 5 teachers who would be taking your maths and science revision batch on the Unacademy platform. So you can go ahead and download the Unacademy app and you can attend a lot of classes, special classes for free, and you can be a part of the subscription if you want to attend the revision batches particularly. So for 7th, it has already begun on 1st December, but however still we are left with the 2-month course, and this would be my first class on Monday for this particular plus course. So I want you all to be there. Okay, Tanisha. Okay, I'll make sure that I remember that. Okay, Divyanshi, thank you so much for what? Thank you so much to you for being in my class. Lovely. Have you subscribed to the Unacademy channel, guys? Quickly give me a thumbs up if you do, or just put in an emoji I want to see more colorful chat box. Okay, Nikhil, you can like only 8. Yes, only 8 times you wrote it. All right. So this is the scholarship that we are going to have tomorrow. This is like an all India Ascent Championship. You can be a part of it and actually win a scholarship up to 5 lakhs every month. And that is such a great opportunity for all you guys. This is for 6 to 8, 9 to 10, and 11 to 12. So go ahead and enroll for it. Have you guys subscribed to this channel? I am so glad. Thank you so much, Divyanshi, for confirming that. Hi, Gitika. How are you? You are such a lovely student. I meet you in almost every class. I am so glad about that. So these are all your plus and iconic subscriptions. You would be getting everything that you can see on the screen in like really nice prices, because you know everything that you know is valuable and it's good. You need to pay a bit for it, but yeah, it is perfectly fine. Oh my god. Okay, I can see a lot of emojis. Hi Nikhil, I really like your excitement over there. Now my chat box is a bit colorful. Hello Ashutosh, how are you doing? So you can actually subscribe to the Creative Corner as well and go beyond your school syllabus, right? So a kid like me who wants to do like 10-20 things other than studying, so this is a very good opportunity for me to subscribe to that. So let's start with today's class, and I would be like quickly, you know, like a train and a supersonic jet, I would be quickly revising this, and then we would be starting with the Menty quiz. Okay, yes, Tanisha, okay, why don't you write Tanisha? You know what you can do whenever you are commenting now, write Tanisha dash and then write the comment. That would be so better. Okay, Ashok, perfect. All right, so let's quickly begin with the chapter. I would be quickly revising you through it so that you are able to excel in the Menty quiz. So humidity, what it is a measure of water vapor in the air. So whenever there is like a lot of water vapor in your air, that is known as humidity. So when I say that it is, I am feeling that, chip and all, that means the water content in the air is really high. Water content as in water vapor is really high, moisture is really high in the air around you. If I say that, these days it's summer and it gets so dry, so that means the water content is really low. So humidity is basically, basically a measure that how much moisture or water content is there in the air around you. Then you know about rainfall. Rainfall is always calculated in centimeters. So how many centimeters of rainfall did we have this year or this particular month? So rainfall, barish. Yeah, I can see a lot of, emojis in the chat box. I'm so glad. Yeah, I need that colorful chat box. So when you understood of something, when you need to kind of, express something, give me a heart or something like that. Okay, yes, you can give me that emoji as well. Perfect. So now we do not have a particular, humidity is something that is like a moisture in your air, but however rainfall can be measured by an instrument known as rain gauge, and this is able to measure the air. It looks like a container like this, and below that how much rain is getting collected. So this is how it is calculating the amount of rain. So rain gauge is used to measure the amount of rainfall in that particular area. All right, so this is how a rain gauge looks. Hi Shaurya, I'm so glad to have you. Good evening. This is how a beautiful rain gauge looks. So just as you can see that, this is the centimeter of rain that got collected in this. So this would be the amount of rain happening in this particular area. So this is weather. What do you know by weather? So weather is a day-to-day condition. It keeps changing constantly. Like right now, the weather outside is hot, it's dry, it is, and after some time it can be windy after an hour. The wind is blowing really, really fast, and that could be windy, and after another 2 hours it could be raining heavily. So weather is something that is absolutely. We have a lot of questions. The last half an hour or so would be for the Menty, okay? No problem. Yeah, I love French fries too, Divyanshi. Okay, Tanisha. Tanisha is really excited. Perfect. I really love your colorful chat box, Divyanshi. So nice. So weather is something, it's a condition that is constantly changing. So as I was saying that, after some time it could be like raining heavily. So weather at that particular moment would be raining. So this is how the weather keeps changing constantly. So the day-to-day condition of atmosphere at a place with time to respect, with the respect to temperature, pressure and humidity and all of these things is known as weather at that particular time, and it changes constantly. So a weather could be, the major elements of weather could be temperature kya hai, it is high or it is low, it is hot or is it cold, what is the pressure, what is the humidity, amount of water vapor in your environment, what is the wind speed, wind direction, it would be sunny or it would be cloudy, or what amount of rainfall you can expect. So weather is usually known as mausam in Hindi. So all of these things could be told. Ma'am, how do we follow Instagram? I don't have ID on Instagram. That is like, it's not my personal, it is like I'm not professionally present on Instagram. So you can follow me on Unacademy if you need to get the details of my class. Yes, we do have Menty, Rita. Okay, let's move ahead. So weather is not constant everywhere. You people know that. I know you people are really intelligent. So it can be hot at one place, it could be windy at another, it could be cloudy and it could be sunny. So it keeps changing day after day and week after week. That's why we do have something known as weather report. And it basically tells us the upcoming changes in your weather. We will be studying about that very soon. So what basically produces weather? So weather is actually controlled by the heat of the sun, because sun is the major source of energy, the primary source of energy. So all the weather changes that you can see in the day-to-day life is done by, yes, Ashutosh, I really like your inputs. Gitika, right. Okay, perfect. So your heat of the sun is a primary source of, I would say, energy, which causes the change in weather. Perfect. So the maximum and minimum temperature can be different at different places. So as you can see over here, the ones in the blue, like the area of Srinagar is basically blue. So it is having like a really low temperature. However, places near Ahmedabad and near Mumbai are like in the red zone. So they are having like really high temperatures. So this is how the weather keeps changing, and that's why we call it like maximum and the minimum temperature. Unacademy Insta page, I don't think so, Kuldeep, right now. Okay. So minimum temperature, this is a very good concept over here. The maximum temperature in the day usually present during the afternoon. And the minimum temperature, so मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा कम और ठंडा टेम्परेचर हमारा अर्ली मॉर्निंग के टाइम होता है, और सबसे ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर हमारा आफ्टरनून के टाइम होता है. My favorite is winter. Of course, I love winters. I don't love summers though, because it's very sweaty and it's clumsy. In winter, you can just wear all the clothes and go anywhere you want to. But in summers, you have to take care that don't go that much outside. You can like catch the sun or something. Yeah. I belong to Delhi and I have been born and brought up in Delhi. Yes, Kuldeep, you're absolutely right. So this is known as weather forecasting. Whenever we predict the weather, it is known as weather forecasting. Okay, so this wonderful woman, or you can easily see that on the news channel. So the meteorologists basically take the help of all the satellites and all the different equipments that they have, and they give you a kind of a prediction of weather. So that is known as weather forecasting, and the study of weather is known as meteorology. So when that weather is forecasted and then the report comes, so that report that gives you the information and the details about the weather that is going to happen very soon, it is known as weather report. Okay, so don't get confused over there. Yes, I am from DU, graduated from DU, absolutely. You know a bit about me, Kuldeep, that is so nice. So days are shorter in winter than summers. Why? Because that happens usually due to the revolution of Earth, and in summers the days are longer and in winters they are smaller. Why are the days longer in summers? Because the sun rises early and sets late, and that is like vice versa in the case of winters. Oh, you are from Bangalore, lovely city. No, Shaurya, that is absolutely not correct. It is, I would say, the percentage of it is correct. I would say 90-95%. But however, it could be, variations in that. You can easily see the variations in your weather forecast. Okay, so climate, when that particular weather or when that particular pattern of your temperature or humidity or rain, everything that maintains for a very very long time, that is known as climate. Okay, so we can say that climate of Delhi is hot and dry, or it is moderate. It is neither too cold neither too high. I can say the climate of a desert is dry and extremely high temperature. So highly dry and highly, I would say, high temperatures. So this is how we can describe that. Alright, you want to join DU after 12th. You need to get a really good percentage in your 12th standard, in your board. So which board you are? I was from CBSE and I really did get a very very good percentage. That is why I was in DU. So if you have a good percentage, you can easily go ahead. Civil services, I do not have that much idea about that. But if you want to do your graduation first and then you want to go for civil services, then still the marks in 12th is like really important if you want to be a part of DU. That is the most important thing. Perfect. CBSE है तो और ज़्यादा better है. So whatever you want to, like if you are doing arts or science or commerce, anything. So marks matter a lot there. Yes. So be very very good with your 12th boards and everything. So climate could be of 4 types: polar, extremely cold and dry, temperate, moderate, not very cold, not very hot. Then tropical are highly temperature, high wala temperature or high humidity. Okay, make sure that you remember that. Tropical wale high temperature, high humidity. And desert में temperature is very high but humidity is not that high. Okay, so always remember that. In desert the temperature is high but the humidity is dry, so humidity is low. I would be science side. That is great. Prachura. I am you. Hi. Okay, great. I was also from science side. I studied physics, chemistry, biology, English and psychology in my 11th and 12th. They are great. My favorite is biology and psychology. So these are basically the zones of the earth. So you can see the red one is a tropic, highly I would say hot, so high temperatures plus high humidity. Then it is your temperate. They have neither too I would say hot temperatures, neither too cold. So they are like moderate. The polar regions are absolutely cold and dry. I'm doing good in my academics and your lectures in terms. Oh, thank you so much, Kuldeep. I am really glad. So right now we would be focusing on two I would say opposite climates, that is tropical and polar. So tropical bilkul high temperature, polar bilkul low temperature. So we would be learning about the contrast of these both things. Okay, so the maximum heat is in your tropical and the minimum is in your polar. So factors that affects the climate are temperature and rainfall. So these 2 points are very important. So the major factor that affects your climate is your temperature and rainfall. Make sure that you keep that in mind. Then your altitude and location with respect to the sea is also important. You would read that. So I am not focusing that much on the zones of your this you are talking about now. I'm not focusing more on the zones of the earth. Why? Because you would be reading that much in your geography wali class, right? So geography is the correct, yeah, as in SST. Perfect. Yes, that's why I'm not focusing much on that, because you would be reading that in geography and I was very good at it. I remember that. So temperature in Srinagar and Trivandrum is completely opposite. Okay, so Srinagar is a part of Jammu and Kashmir that you can find in the north of India, and Trivandrum is in Kerala that you can find in the south of India. So they are like absolutely, I would say, opposite environment. That is why, the climate in Srinagar is very, I would say, it's hot and wet. However, in your Trivandrum, it is hot and wet. Okay, so your Srinagar has a temperate climate and your Trivandrum has a tropical climate. Again, guys, I'm not going in that deep because I'm just trying to revise everything very quickly so that we can have time for the Menty quiz as well. Thank you so much, Divyanshi. That is so sweet. I'm really glad that you're able to understand that. And then there are also like contrasting climates on your screen. One is your Rajasthan, that is extremely hot and dry, and on the other one you have your northeast India, so like Assam. So Assam is absolutely wet, you have a lot of rainfall in Assam. So they are absolutely opposite. In next 5 minutes I would be starting with it, Ashutosh. I'm quickly revising it so that you can get an idea what we are going to have the Menty quiz about. Okay, so climate and adaptation. So wherever you live, your body is basically adapted to it. Humans have a capability to go and adapt into, or I would say that assimilation that happens in humans, that we are able to kind of go and live in like really cold regions also and really hot regions also. But however, that is not the case with your animals. They are particularly adapted to one particular environment, and that is how they are built. So we would be studying about adaptations in two regions, that is polar and tropical. So polar wale kahan hai? It is near your Arctic region and they are extremely hot. Hi Akhil. Ashok. Okay. Yes, Kuldeep, very nice input. It is near the Tropic of Cancer. That is why it is very high. Yes. All right. So polar regions is something like this. They do not experience day for 6 months and they do not experience night for another 6 months. So the beautiful creature, and I find them really cute, that is polar bear. They have their white color white fur. So white fur, what does white fur help them to do? Quickly tell me the term over here. Until that I move ahead. Okay, what does the white fur of the polar bear help them into? So then they have like 2 thick layers of fur so that they are able to, yes, I do teach on Unacademy app, Akhil. So the white fur basically helps them to, what does it help in? I need the word right here. Then they have a very thick layer of fat under their skin because it acts like, I would say, insulator. They do not let the heat of their body to escape. So the thing that I was asking about the white fur was that it helps them to basically camouflage. Okay, camouflage is like kind of getting mixed with their environment so that they can be saved from their predators. They have a very, yes, absolutely. Okay, so they have like a really round body and small ears in order to reduce their surface area of the body so that the heat cannot escape more. So everything is small tail, small ears, small legs, everything. Okay, so their feet is made in that way कि वो बिल्कुल snow के अंदर sink ना हो जाए. They are very good swimmers and they have a very good sense of smell. Very nice. I love your input, Shaurya, Divyanshi, and Ruby. Very nice. Darling, this class is for English, but I will try to be I will try to be bilingual in it. Okay, that would be perfect. So adaptations in penguin, it is such a beautiful and cute bird. I know it is black from behind, but still उसके आगे का जो region होता है, that is white. So उसकी वजह से वो भी camouflage जो होता है कर पाता है, ठीक है? But it cannot fly, but it is a very good swimmer. So they hunt fishes and they eat fishes. Okay, they have a streamlined body and webbed feet, so that really helps them to swim very nicely. Okay, again they have a very good thick fat of skin below their skin, so it helps them to protect. Ma'am, Akhil, to my message. Read a new faces. Yes, they do, Kuldeep. That is really such a nice. Then migration. Quickly, let me cover it up so that we can start with the Menty. So migration is a kind of an adaptation in birds in which they kind of, in order to escape from the cold climates से भागने के लिए, what they do is they go and fly away to the hotter regions. तो जहाँ पर भी गर्मी होती है, they quickly kind of fly away from that cold region, and उस टाइम पे वो जैसे सोचो वेकेशन पे चले जाते हैं किसी और रीजन पे जो कि थोड़ा सा गर्म है. Yes, they are very cute. Yes, absolutely. Hi Sam, I love your name. Okay, perfect. All right. So कौन सी बर्ड सबसे ज़्यादा इंडिया में आती है? Siberian crane. Okay. So this is one of the bird that basically migrates to India whenever there is cold in its home. Yes, they are cute. So adaptation होती है, escape from the cold climates and they come to India. Tropical rainforest. So tropical rainforest has high humidity and they have really high hot, I would say, climate. So they are usually found in Western Ghats and Assam. So you can find a lion in it, and lion के सारे features आपको पता है that they are like really high sense of smell and their color, everything basically helps them. Then you can find a beautiful elephant in the your tropical forest. Then what about your red-eyed frogs? So red-eyed frogs, the best thing that I like about them is that whenever they're sleeping or something and kind of an animal comes to approach them and they want to eat them or something, what they do is they quickly pop their eyes open, okay, and all those red eyes basically frightens the other animals. तो क्या होता है कि जब वो सो रहे होते हैं तो कोई भी जैसे एनिमल आया तो वो क्या करते हैं कि अपनी जो रेड आइज होती है एकदम से बड़ी बड़ी करके पॉप आउट कर देते हैं. तो उसकी वजह से जो दूसरा एनिमल होता है वो 2 मिनट के लिए डर जाता है और उतने में ही दे जंप एंड दे जस्ट रीच समवेयर एल्स. Yes, they look very scary. Yes, absolutely. So then we find monkeys and they're really beautiful. So guys, now let's subscribe to the channel, YouTube channel quickly and be the part of Mentimeter. Okay, so before that, going to Mentimeter, quickly subscribe to the channel, quickly do that, and then I will give you the code. So give me a thumbs up, and then until then I will quickly why did my video pause? Yeah, I think now that is better. So give me a quick thumbs up. Why did it stop? Yes, I think why is it stopped? I really don't know why. Yes, it is working. I don't know why it stopped. Let me try to add it again so that we are very certain that it is working. Oh, it did stop, isn't it? Okay, let me just quickly add it for you. Is it visible? I don't know. There's some problem with the camera, I believe. Why is it not working? Okay, let's just switch to the FaceTime built-in camera. Yeah, I think now that's perfect. So hi guys, with the green screen, I'm just taking this off. Now I believe you are able to see me. Let me quickly fix this here. And then we can start with our Menty quiz, okay? Perfect. Let me just get a little bit out of the screen. Okay. Now, where is the Menty? Have you guys subscribed to the channel? Very nice, Kuldeep. Very nice, everyone. No more glitches. Perfect. So, here is your code. Quickly join in. So, I will speak about it again. So it is 66458999. 66458999. Thank you so much, Divyanshi, for confirming that you subscribed. Quickly, everyone, subscribe it. And to be a part of Menty quiz, quickly just subscribe and come here. Okay, I can see a bee and a penguin over here. I can see a spade. Okay, great. Come on, guys. More of you. Yes, Sam, thank you so much for sharing the code. It's 66458999. 66458999. Quickly, I want more participants so that there can be a healthy competition. And I want the leaderboard to be filled with students. Coming up. Come on. Yes, guys. Okay, hello crab, hello birdie. Hi unicorn. Okay, so you are the robot. Where is the robot? Okay, now I can see you, the purple one. I love the cake and donut over here. Hi, the ghost, the frog. Another alien is here. That is so great. Come on, everyone. We have like a whole good time for our Menty quiz. So we have like more than 20 questions. Okay, so Shaurya is B. Pin. You want the pin again? That is 66458999. Okay? Quickly, I'm giving you 30 seconds more. Okay? Quickly join in. Come on. Ananya is the donut. Why people are like joining and leaving and joining and leaving? Quickly na. Hi Mamta. Come on, more. Last 30 seconds to join. I can see a ring. Why you people are like joining and going back, joining and... Come on guys, stick to it. Okay. Now I think we are good to go. Perfect. Again koi chala gaya. Now I'm counting like a countdown of 15 seconds. Quickly wala. So 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and let's start. Okay, so answer fast to get more points. And here is the first one. Quickly answer. You can do it, everyone. Okay, Ranjit is the cake. I really like cake, seriously. I'm such a sweet tooth. Last 5 seconds, guys. Okay, and times up. Yes, they are a difficult question. Okay, let's see who is correct. During summers, the days are longer and nights are shorter because the sun rises. Sun जो उगता है वो जल्दी उग जाता है और जब वो सेट करता है तो लेट जाता है. इसलिए हमारा जो डे होता है ना बेटा वो लॉन्गर हो जाता है, लंबा हो जाता है. Okay, so let's see who is on the leaderboard. Okay, we have Nikhil and Ananya to the fastest. Then we have Tom, Mamta and the Hustlers. So nice. Very nice. Yes, चलो आगे चलते हैं. मैम चलो क्या हो गया अभी? Okay, no problem, Shaurya. You are getting a lot of chances in this. Let's move on to the next question. And here it is. Okay, I will. Good evening, Karnika. Quickly become the part of the Menty quiz. Okay, a lot of answers coming up. Yes, you can do it, guys. Easy peasy one. Last 5 seconds. Time's up. Okay, so a lot of you were correct and why I can see a lot of wrong answers. Come on. So penguin is the one which do not live in the tropical forest. Okay. And here is the pole. Okay, I won't say it. Code is 66. Let me write it in the chat. 6645899. Here is the code, guys. Quickly join in. I won't say the answers. Why would I say that? And oh, we again have Disco Potato over here. So Nikhil, Krishna, Ananya are in top 3. Then we have Mamta, Disco Potato, Shaurya, Tanisha. Oh my God, you're a fan. Manojit, Raj, and Earthman. I love your name, guys. Great, great, great. Let's be a part of it quickly. Next question on your screens. Have you guys subscribed to the channel? Okay. Quickly. Yes, Sumait, you can do it. So have all of you joined? Last 3 seconds. Every one of you voted. Great, guys. So climate is the average pattern and a place taken place over a long period of time. Not weather forecasting, humidity or weather reports. Absolutely incorrect answers. Okay, great, Sumait. I'm so glad that you subscribed. Okay, so you answered in 0.06 seconds. So the fastest was Nikhil, and then it was Krishna, Ananya, Mamta, Tanisha, Manojit, Tasneem, Akhil, Disco Potato, Shaurya. Great. Great, guys. Let's move ahead. And here is your 4th question. Okay, Mamta, okay. Why you keep your names, no? Isme. During winters, dash is short. Okay, perfect. Good answer with 9 of you correct. So during winters, the days are short. Okay, why? Because your sun rises very late and it sets very early. Okay, so that is why. Let's see the leaderboard. Who do we have on the top now? We have Nikhil, Ananya, Krishna in the top 3. Our beautiful Mamta. Tanisha was the fastest. Manojit, Akhil was the fastest again. Then it was Divyanshi, Akshara and Tasneem. Yes, we do have like shorter days. Yes, you can do it, guys. Okay, let's move on with the next question. And here it is. Read it nicely, read it nicely. Don't get confused over here. I am talking about the details, okay? The thing that comes at last whenever you have that knowledge. Come on, I want correct answers. See, I knew it, misclicks. So the weather reports are the one which carries your information about temperature, humidity and rainfall, guys. Weather forecasting is just doing that process of knowing these things. But the information, the details is done by your weather reports. So whenever they're going to ask you what gives you the information about temperature, humidity and blah blah blah, you would be saying weather report. And this was a game changer. So now we have a beautiful Ananya on the top. Then we have Nikhil and Krishna, Mamta, Tanisha, Manojit, Akshara, Tasneem, Akhil and Shaurya being the fastest. Wow, nice. I like it. And here is the next question. Why? It's okay. Now I want 100% in this. 100% correct. Ah, penguins can swim. That's why they have that streamlined body and those kind of, webbed feet. They help them in swimming. They catch the fish. So penguin is kind of a bird, but it cannot fly. So वो कैसे खाएगी फिर? तो वो स्विम करके पानी में जाके फिशेस खाती है. So Ananya is the fastest and she's on the top. Then we have our lovely Nikhil, Krishna, Mamta, Tanisha, Akshra, Tasneem, Shaurya, Divyanshi and Manojit. So nice, so nice. Hi everyone. Okay, so the next question is on your screens. The dash and dash are the two regions of Earth which have extreme climatic conditions. Extreme. This one is a funny question, isn't it? I love the options here. Nikhil, be a part of Menty. Don't answer in the chat box. That is not right, okay? So whoever answered the second one, you are really funny. Okay, so the correct answer was tropical region and polar region. So they have like extreme cold, extreme different climate. Tropical में बिल्कुल high and humid and high and hot and humid और उसमें बिल्कुल dry and cold polar में. So yes, you can do it. Perfect. So the top three again are Ananya. Nikhil I think came up on, no, Nikhil was here. So Ananya, Nikhil and Krishna are in the top three. Then we have Mamta, Tanisha, Akshara, Shaurya, Divyanshi, Tasneem and Manojit. Perfect. And here is the next question. Okay, now this is a fact. Don't answer wrong. It is not a usual frog, okay? It is not a usual one. It is like thoda sa zyada adapted frog. Okay, great. I thought that I would be getting like really wrong answers, but I'm really glad that a lot of you were correct. So yes, red frogs live on trees and it has that kind of adaptability in which whenever someone is coming to eat him and any plant animal is coming to harm him, so it just pop out its red eyes and it scares them away and it just go and jump somewhere else. So here is your Ananya, then we have Tanisha, Nikhil in the top three. We have Krishna, Akshara, Mamta, Divyanshi, Tasneem, and Shaurya, and Manojit was the fastest. Oh my god. You are doing great. It's okay, Nikhil. It's perfect. But don't write the answers in the comment box. Please be a part of Menty quiz. Oh, that is so... it's okay, Shaurya. You can be a part of it someday. I would be here. I'm so glad that it was easy peasy. I told you about this in the class, and the correct answer is that the maximum temperature in the whole day usually happens during the afternoon. जब धूप से आ रहे थे गर्मी में तो इतना गर्म लगता था ना, सुबह सुबह जाते थे, it was like fresh morning, it was a little cold and but whenever you used to go in that garam wala dhoop in the afternoon, that was very hot. So, okay, so now we have Tanisha in the top and we have Ananya on the top. Then we have Tanisha on the second position. We have Nikhil, Krishna, Mamta, Akshara, Tasneem, Shaurya answered this the fastest. Then we have Manojit and Divyanshi back on the leaderboard. That is so great. Very nice, Nikhil. Very nice. I'm glad that you are answering on the Mentimeter now. Then only you will be able to come in the top now. Okay, next question. Polar bear have long what? Okay. Come on. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. I hope you people remember my thoda sa hint that I gave you before. Yes, none of the above. They do not have a long nose, they do not have a long tail, they do not have long ears. Why? Because they live in cold and they want to minimize their surface area. क्योंकि जितना ज़्यादा बड़े होंगे, जितना ज़्यादा लंबा लंबा उनकी चीज़ें होंगी, उतना ज़्यादा मतलब वो हीट जो है एस्केप करेगी उनकी बॉडी से. So that's why they have like really small ears and nose and tail, so that the heat escape less out of their body. So just to give you an example of surface area and the escape of heat, whenever you drink a coffee in a cup, it doesn't get cold very soon. Why? The cup has like a smaller, I would say, opening. But however, when you eat, just kind of put that coffee in a bowl, it will quickly get cold. Why? Because heat has like a larger area to escape. So in the case of polar bear, they do not want that. They want their heat to be maintained in their body. That's why everything is small. The surface area of their body is like the smallest possible. Okay, I hope you understand that. So we have Ananya, Krishna, Tanisha on the top. Then we have Nikhil, Mamta, Akshara, Tasneem, and Shaurya answered this question again the fastest. Then we have Divyanshi and Manujit in the top 10. Let's move on to the next question. It's okay, Nikhil, you are learning, right? Pratibha, that is so sweet of you. Me too, darling. Easy peasy question. Thank you so much. You are very cute too, Pratibha. Your and my name kind of rhyme, doesn't it? Abha and Pratibha. Ah, nice. I like it. Okay, so migration was the absolutely correct answer because birds escape the the cold region by moving on to another region that is hotter, and that process is known as migration. That is an adaptation in certain birds, okay? So we again have our three lovely toppers, Ananya, Krishna and Tanisha on the top, and Tanisha answered this question the fastest. Really great. Then we have a lovely Mamta, Akshara, Tasneem, Shaurya, Nikhil, Divyanshi and Manojit. Thank you so much, Pratibha. Tuni, I just forgot your name. You answered in 0.5 seconds and Shaurya did in 4.5. Ask me out if you have any confusion, okay? Okay, let's move on with the next question. I am like really cute because I love children. I don't know why, but I do. I am the cutest with children. Yes. Okay. So, task of the elephant are modified nose. Is it so? I am just waiting for the children who misclicked it. Because I know you did. टास्क होती है मॉडिफाइड नोज अभी बताऊंगी सबको टास्क होती है क्या होता है टेल मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन व्हाट विल द राइट आंसर व्हाट इज द नोज ऑफ द एलिफेंट कॉल्ड quickly tell me now I'm waiting for your chats over here quickly come on I need answers correct answer for this one no tusk is the teeth of the elephant okay जो teeth आते हैं ना white बाहर उसको हम tusk कहते हैं जो उसकी nose होती है उसको हम trunk कहते हैं हाँ जी very good सुमेध निखिल साक्षी okay tusk उसके दांत होते हैं ठीक है okay so let's see who got confused here and let's see does that affect our leaderboard. Yes, Shaurya, very nice, absolutely. So our top 3 remains our top 3. That is Ananya, Krishna and Tanisha. Congratulations, you people were really attentive in the class. Then it was Shaurya, the fastest one in this question. Then Divyanshi, Mamta, Akshara, Tasneem and Nikhil Manojit answered them correctly. Very nice. Okay, the next question is on your screen. Rumana, ma'am, science chapter 1. What is the first chapter? That is your nutrition and plants. I believe so. Yeah, nutrition and plants you're talking about, Rumana. Hi, Dipanshi. That is so sweet of you. Okay, so the major factor affecting the climate is your rainfall and temperature. I reiterated this very much in the session that I just took, 10 to 15 session that I kind of revised this chapter. So the major factors that affect the climate is the temperature and the rainfall. All right. So I think that was a game changer. Let's see who is going to lead. Okay, so our top three remains our top three because they are excelling like anything. And our lovely Akshara, Shaurya, Mamta, Divyanshi, Nikhil, Manojit was the fastest, and Tasneem. Yes, Tanisha has like a really good scope here. Ananya, Krishna, all of them. All of you are doing good, guys. All of you. And it's about answering the major amount of correct answers, right? Correct questions. Easy peasy question. Very good, Sakshi. Very good. Be a part of Ascent Championship. Very nice. Because you can actually win a lot of scholarships in that. Humidity was the correct answers. Very nice. 1 second. 0.81. Tuni. Very nice, guys. Shaurya. Perfect. So let's see who answered it correctly. Okay, I think now there is like a change in the... Okay, it was. So Ananya is still leading the chart. She is on the top. Then we have our lovely Krishna and Tanisha in top 3. Akshara, Shaurya was the fastest this time. Divyanshi, Nikhil is... Okay, Nikhil... what was your name? I'm just... Tanisha. Tanisha and is here, and Manojit, Mamta and Tasneem on the leaderboard. Tanisha, I'll remember that now. And your 15th question is, I do talk in Hindi, but then I take English classes on this platform. So that's why I think I talk in English that much. I'm much more comfortable in, I think, speaking English. But yeah, my Hindi is also very good. ऐसे English नहीं हो पाता मुझसे एकदम से ना. So तभी I stick to English. But it's okay, if you want to understand something, I would be bilingual. Okay, English बोलूँगी. So yes, sun was the major source of heat and light, is the most, I would say, major and prime source of heat and light. That's why it affects the weather the most. Tuni, great. Sure, 3.1 seconds. I know you are leading. That's why you are always the fastest. So Ananya and Tanisha was the fastest this time. Then it was Krishna, Shaurya, Divyanshi, Nikhil, Akshara, Mamta, Manojit and Tasneem talking the charts. Yeah, English. Yes, Tanisha, ma'am, Menty mein to mera naam. Tanisha, your fan on 3rd position. Yes, you are on 2nd, child. You are on 2nd, Tanisha. Okay, so the 16th question is on your screen. So I think we are left with the last 6 questions. So let's see how it can be a game changer and how you people are going to perform in it. So let's begin. And here is your poll. Easy peasy one. Read all the answers. Don't get confused. It's an easy question. Rishik, you're trying to write the answers, but both of them are incorrect. The correct answer is only rainfall, guys. I'll quickly, explain you the difference between rainfall and your humidity. Humidity is the water vapor, मतलब gaseous water vapor होता है ना. गैस स्टेट में आपके आसपास वाटर कितना प्रेजेंट है, वाटर वेपर कितना प्रेजेंट है, दैट इज योर ह्यूमिडिटी. ओके, वी कैन नॉट मेजर इट विद अ ट्यूब, बट रेन गॉज इज काइंड ऑफ अ ट्यूब जिसमें कि रेनफॉल मतलब बारिश जो होती है कलेक्ट हो जाती है. तो रेन गॉज इज ओनली एबल टू मेजर योर रेनफॉल, नॉट योर ह्यूमिडिटी. ओके, सो कीप दैट इन माइंड. माई बर्थडे इज ऑन 26 जुलाई. इट्स ओके तनीषा, मेरा बर्थडे आता है 26 जुलाई को. अभी इट्स अ लॉन्ग वे. All right, so we do have our Ananya and Krishna was the fastest this time. Then we have our lovely Tanisha on the third. Then we have Shaurya, Nikhil, Divyanshi, Akshara, Mamta, Manojit, and Tasneem. Very, very nice, guys. Very good. Okay, so I think the fifth last question, and here it is. Oh, Sachi, Tanisha, very nice. All are your fan, but I am yours. Oh, that is so great, Sakshi. Okay, Rumana, you want me to take a class? I think I already have 2 classes on Monday, but I'll definitely try it for you, darling. The coldest region on earth is your polar region, okay? Easy peasy one. Polar region में lowest temperature होता है and lowest humidity होती है. So it's very dry and it's very, very cold. Okay, you can do it. So we still have Ananya on the top. And Krishna and Tanisha answered the fastest. Then we have a lovely Shaurya, Nikhil, Divyanshi, Akshara, Manojit, Mamta, and Raj. Hi Raj, welcome to the leaderboard. And here is your 18th question. I do have a class on acid, bases, and salt, Nikhil, Tanisha. So you can go ahead on the Unacademy app and you can watch that, okay? There is a class, so if that's urgent. Innovative science, I am a fan of Abha Ma'am. I am your fan. Thank you so much. It's okay, Sakshi. It's perfectly fine, darling. Very high temperature and high humidity. This is something that I kind of explained like a lot of times. Desert mein, darling, temperature is very high. I completely agree. But it has a very dry atmosphere. सो वहाँ पर आपकी ह्यूमिडिटी जो होती है बिल्कुल भी हाई नहीं होती. ओके, सो वहाँ पर आपका जो क्लाइमेट होता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई होता है. सो हाई टेम्परेचर इज़ राइट बट हाई ह्यूमिडिटी इज़ रॉन्ग इन डेजर्ट. सो ओनली ट्रॉपिकल रीजन हैव योर हाई टेम्परेचर एंड हाई ह्यूमिडिटी. रिमेंबर दैट. ओके, I think we have like a lot of, it was a game changer again. Thank you for making my chat box so colorful. Atul Tyagi. No, it is not D, Nikhil, not at all. My birthday is on 26th July. Dalbir, I do have a class on acid, bases, and salt. So if it is like really urgent, so you can watch it on the Unacademy app. But however, I will try to take more classes on that, okay? Oh, that is so sweet of you, Romana. Yes, I will. I will take the class on acid, bases, and salt. Okay, so we have Ananya, Tanisha, Shaurya in the top 3, and Shaurya was the fastest. Welcome to the top 3, Shaurya. And then we have Krishna ka Karishma on the 4th. Then we have Nikhil, Divyanshi, best teacher ever. Akshara, Manojit, Mamta, Raj is master champion in the top 10. So we are left with a few questions and let's see who will be on the leaderboard now. So the question is on your screen. It's okay, be a part of the revision batches on the Unacademy. So don't be paper essay, please. Dalbir, I would love to. Just go on the Unacademy app and type in Abha Sharma, and there you can see my class of acid, bases, and salt. Okay. Okay, don't worry. You would do great. Thank you so much that you find it interesting. Innovative science ideas. 0.4 seconds by Shaurya. So polar bear is a great swimmer, however doesn't have a great sense of smell. That is false. It is a great swimmer and it does have a very good great smell, sense of smell, because then only it is able to kind of catch and smell its prey. Okay, so false would be the correct answer. Let's see who has now kind of changed their places. Okay, so we have Ananya, Tanisha, Shaurya, Krishna, Nikhil, Divyanshi, Akshara, Manojit, Mamta, and Ariba. Wow, welcome to the leaderboard, Ariba. Very nice. Fastest was Tanisha this time. Very nice, Tanisha. So last few questions, last 20, 21, 2 questions. Second last question is this. Yeah. Okay, don't get confused over here. It's a very easy peasy question. Hi, Innovative Science, Kumaran, hi. That is so, so sweet of you. I'm really glad that I could influence in you in such a way. So weather reports are the one that are created by meteorologists. So let's see. Then we are left with the last question. Ananya is saying I'm not going to leave my space at all. Perfect. So Tanisha was the fastest this time. Let's see who all will be on the leaderboard now. This is the last question, guys. And here it is. Okay. Don't do a misclick now. It's okay, Shaurya. It's okay. We are going to have lots and lots of Menty quizzes and polls on the Unacademy app as well. So quickly go on and subscribe to this channel. Quickly hit the subscribe button and then we can and go on and download the Unacademy app also. So you can like get all the updates. It's okay, Shaurya. Okay, so elephant uses a trunk, the nose as it note, not tusk, okay? I know you did the misclick there. So let's see who is the winner of the class. I believe that is our lovely, lovely Ananya. हाँ जी है दलबीर अगली क्लास जो अभी आधे घंटे बाद है सोलर सिस्टम के ऊपर वी डू हैव मेंटी क्विज इन दैट ऑल्सो so our lovely Ananya topped the class. Well, congratulations, Ananya. Very nice. Then it is a beautiful Tanisha, Nikhil, Shaurya, Karishma, and one more frog. Who's it? And then we have the best teacher, Manojit. Ariba was the fastest in this one, and Raj in the top 10. You guys did great, guys. I'm so proud. And again, congratulations, Ananya Lohani. I am so glad that you topped it. Okay. So, thank you, everyone. Thank you so much for being a part of this class. And you can ask me anything. And you know, my code for this is A Live. So, I would be like sharing it to you very soon. And for Unacademy subscriptions, you can go on and take this AS23 Abha Sharma 23. Okay, if you want to be a part of Plus or Iconic subscriptions. And these are all the batches running over. So जिसके भी एग्जाम्स आने वाले हैं मुझे पता है आपके सबके एग्जाम आने वाले हैं. Go on and subscribe to the Unacademy YouTube classes as well as go on and be a part of Plus, darling. They're like really pocket friendly. Go ahead and share it with your parents. So thank you, everyone. Thank you so much for being a part of this class, and I love to have you all. I am really glad that I could meet and interact with all of you. Ah, that is so nice, innovative. Ishan, thank you, ma'am. It's just because of you. Thank you. Same here, darling. I am just because of you. Okay. Thank you so much, Innovative Science. Okay, I am you. We are going to meet very soon every Saturday, okay? So let's meet really quick.